welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some beans, and I'm going to be using some Mayakoba beans instead of using the pinto beans because I find these cook faster. So I'm going to be using 1 pound of beans, and these are going to make a lot. And we're going to take onion. Probably not going to use all of it, just take like a piece. You can use fresh garlic if you want, but I like garlic powder and sea salt, and we're gonna be using some water too, and that's everything that you need. So let's get started. First step, take the beans, take your scissors, and we're gonna just cut it. We're going to take our beans, and then we're going to take our pot. Hey guys, so we have all the beans inside of the pot. This next step is really important. What you want to do is just kind of run your fingers through and make sure that there's no dirt. Okay guys, now that we have our beans here, I'm going to be putting beans inside of my sink. Now we're going to fill it up with some water. We're just going to run our hands through it and then just kind of like clean them off with our hands, make sure that we're getting all the dirt and stuff. Show you guys that the water looks kind of cloudy, it's a bit dirty, so it's important just to clean your beans. And so now that this is the dirty water, we're going to dump it and we're going to put fresh water in. So we're going to put some water in. And I don't like putting too much water in my beans. I like to add as I go, so I keep an eye on it. Because I find when I do that, they plump up nice and big, and they also retain more flavor. Because if you add too much water, I find that they absorb all the water and they taste like really watery. So this way I can ensure that they come out nice and plump and juicy. And if I need more water, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. So right now I have my beans here, and right now I'm not gonna add my onion just yet. So I'm just going to come over here and turn it on and put the top on. Just to the, like, I don't know, what is that? Medium-high heat. Cover it. Okay, so you guys, so we're just gonna probably leave it here for, I don't know, just try like 20 minutes. It's gonna take longer than that, but at that point, I'm probably gonna add my onion in there. So let's just leave it for 20 minutes and then we'll see. Alright you guys, so my beans are done, so I'm gonna come over here, turn this off, turn off my timer. I tried them. Ooh, all that steam. So I had it in for 40 minutes at first, and then I added obviously some more water throughout the time, just to make sure it's covered. And then I put it in for another 34 more minutes, and it's nice and done. So at this point, you add your salt, and you're also going to add your garlic powder. Garlic powder, as much as you want, you guys. If you like it, you add a lot. If you don't, then you don't. But it's easier to add as you go than to add a whole bunch and take it out, because once you do that, it's hard. So now we add the salt, and with salt, please add as much as you want. But actually, I think I'm gonna use a big one. Beans do need quite a bit of salt, so at this point I'm just gonna add some salt, and from here you guys could eat it like this, just like that, or you could have it with some tortillas like that, or you could make some refried beans with this. Refried beans. I have some olive oil, sea salt, I have a jalapeno, I have a hot saute pan that, well, it's not hot yet, but it's heating up. It's nice and clean. I have some homemade fresh beans right here. So we're going to take these beans and we're actually going to put them in here. But first what we're going to do is make sure this is nice and hot I have my clean jalapeno. We're going to add more, just throw it in here now, but we're just gonna, you know, char that up for some flavor. This is optional, but I think it gives the beans really, really good flavor. So we're just gonna let that go right now, and then we're going to add a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna add our beans and smash them up. We have our jalapeno here. It's getting nice and toasty, and it's getting charred. So we're just gonna keep turning that, and once that's nice and soft, then we add the oil. To me, I'm going to add some oil to this. And then be careful here because you're going to be adding the beans, and my beans are in water, so yeah, just be a little careful. When I grab the beans, I have a ladle here that has like holes so it drains out because we don't want that much water. Just gonna add this and just be careful. We're going to add the water as we go because we don't know how much we're going to need. This is so good. So good. And I am going to be using a cup right here. So I'm just going to take it and smash my beans. You guys, so this is done. I wanted to mention that I use this glass cup. It's really sturdy, but you guys can use some like a ceramic thing. Just be careful if you're using glass. So yeah, just to warn you guys, but mine's pretty sturdy. It's a hard glass, so it was pretty safe. But yeah, you guys use whatever you feel is safe. Some people have at their house, you know, a masher. You can use that, ceramic cup or whatever you feel is safe. But yeah, you guys, so yeah. Hey guys, I just wanted to insert this clip. This is the next day, but I'm making some more refried beans, but I just wanted to show you the consistency of these beans. They're just a little bit more softer, runnier. I'm not softer, but they're just a little bit more runnier because I added a little bit more liquid to these beans just because that's how I want them. But look how delicious they look, and I'm actually using this to smash it today. So yeah, there's just different ways to smash it and different ways that you can make them.